Hey, what's up? It's Take here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to announce the new Canary version, which is Inkdrop version 6-canary.15, and yeah, it has some exciting new features and improvements. And the first one is improved auto-ink title insertion. So as I talked in the previous video, I wanted to improve the current auto-ink title feature, and it got much better than before. Yeah, I'm really happy with this result. So as you can see, when you you paste a link from another app, it starts loading the page title automatically, and it displays the auto completion menu, and you can choose your preferred link format. And one of which is one of them is the with page title, and when you select this option, it displays the loading spinner, and you can submit the selection, and it inserts the link with the page title. And even if you submitted this completion option, before finishing loading the page title, it asynchronously keeps loading the page title, and when finish it, it automatically replaces the the loading spinner with the formatted link, which is amazing. Let me show you the demo. So here is the development version, and I'd like to paste this link. Yeah, that's right. Then yeah, it now is loading the page title like this. I canceled it. Let's try it again. And so when I submitted very quickly before finishing the page load, but it keeps loading and automatically replace the link format. Yeah, so this is so cool. You don't have to wait for the app to load the page title, which is amazing. I'm really happy with the result. So I hope you like it. So I'd like to the app not try to interrupt your edit. You can keep focusing on writing or editing your notes and taking tech notes. So that's the design. That's the primary focus of the app design. Yeah, that's cool. And next one is note sort order button. So I moved that button here in the previous versions, and it got moved to this place. That you can change the note sort order by clicking this. And reason why I did this is because I wanted to check out the current sort order without clicking the button. So when in the older versions, the button was here, and you always have to click the button to check the current sort order. It was annoying for me, and so that's why I moved it from here to here, and so you don't have to touch anything to check the current sort order, which is great. And instead of this button, here we've got a toggle button for sidebar. So you can click this button to toggle the sidebar. And also, you already have this button to toggle the distraction-free mode. So you can hide and show the sidebar and notice very quickly without remembering the shortcut key. Yeah, by the way, you can also toggle the sidebar by pressing the command slash or control slash or command shift D, control shift D to toggle the distraction-free mode. Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah. And next one is fuzzy matching support for the notebook and tag list menus, which means you can now filter the tags with fuzzy matching algorithm. You can, yeah. So you don't have to type the exact keyword to filter the tags or notebooks. When you wanna move the note, here's the dialog for moving the note. You can also move the note by pressing M on the note list, and the dialog shows up, and you can type keyword, and it's okay if you typed incomplete characters because it now uses the fuzzy matching algorithm. So it improves it helps you find the desired item from the list. Yeah, and other improvements are one is to remove the account name from the sidebar. It it no longer has displays your real name on the sidebar. It is not necessary to display all the time because you can now quickly check the account status on the preferences window. Yeah, so that's why I removed it from the sidebar. And I also bumped up Electron to 39.8.9, 8.7. Yeah, that's it. And so I'd like to talk about introducing community-made plugins. Yeah. So after publishing the TypeScript definitions for developing plugins, the community becomes active to develop plugins, and that's I'm so happy to see the community actively develop new plugins and update existing plugins. So I'd like to share some awesome plugins developed by the user community. Yeah, so I want to say thank you so much for creating and maintaining the plugins. Bashir-san has been working so hard to update a lot of plugins. As you can see, he has published so many plugins, and these are originally for V5, but now they also support version 6, which is so nice. Yeah. So the side talk is one of his popular plugins. It displays the outline of the current node, so you can switch, you can jump around the sections, which is amazing. And he's got a new plugin which is called link format. It displays it automatically compacts Markdown link URLs when a node is opened and toggles the display with a command, which means, as you can see, if you have a link which tends to be long if you have if the link has a lot of query parameters, and it shrinks it into a single emoji, which looks nice. And I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So this release note has a lot of links, as you can see, and maybe it solves this issue. Yeah, this is the first time I tried this plugin. Oh yeah, this is so amazing. Yeah. Okay, so you can still edit the link. Okay, maybe it would be nice to expand the link when the cursor is on a URL, which helps you edit the link. Maybe I'll send a pull request to improve this plugin later. Yeah, but this looks so nice. Thank you so much for creating, Shimizu-san. Yeah, and the next one is a code runner developed by Dieter Reinhardt. Thank you so much. Yeah, so this is so this plugin allows you to run code directly on the preview pane, which looks nice for learning programming languages. Yeah, thank you so much. And next one is a opcy-as-jira developed by A13X9. Thank you so much. It helps you copy the markdown as in the Jira syntax. Yeah, amazing. Right click on Inkdrop node and copy its body as Jira with markup. Yeah, sounds cool. Okay, next one is constellation. It's developed by P1N9D3V. Thank you so much. It displays. Yeah, this one is so interesting. So this gives you one of the popular features of the connection-oriented note apps. Also, it displays the network of your knowledge stored in your Inkdrop database. Yeah, so let's read the description. So interactive note graph for Inkdrop visualize notes as a constellation of links, tags, and notebooks. Yeah. So this one looks so nice. I actually installed it already, and let's check it out. Yeah. And boom. So it displays the current outline also. And it takes time to generate the graph because I have a lot of nodes, like 3,000 nodes. Yeah, so it is amazing. Oh, you can zoom in, and yeah, migrate roll up. So you can actually explore your nodes in the graph view. That's amazing. Okay. Next one is Note Tabs by Dieter Reinhardt. Yeah, so that Note Tabs gives you a browser-like Note Tabs, and yeah, it looks like this. So you can quickly jump around from recently opened notes, which is nice. If you prefer having tabs on top of the notes editor, this plugin might help your workflow. So please check it out. Yeah, thank you so much for creating these awesome plugins. Yeah, so let's talk about the next version. I'm gonna work on adding AI integration, and I've been researching the which libraries would be nice to use, and I'm considering to use AI SDK. Which is by Vercel, and yeah, it wraps the each provider API, and it helps you integrate so many providers, and yeah, I'd like to check it out. So maybe I think I'm at Anthropic and OpenAI compatible providers first, because I have to understand what's necessary to implement, what's necessary to use for features. I don't decide the exact requirements of the features that I want to build. So I'd like to go with the simple setup. Yeah, so yeah, it looks good. So yeah, so I'm so excited, and I'm happy to see the community becomes active again to create more plugins. I can't wait to release it officially. You can download the Canary version from here, and I'll put the link down in the description below. So please try it. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.